Hi traders, today I'm going to go through why I think the daily charts are such an important time frame to use and why I use them why I find them the most consistent charts to mark our key levels and to take trades from. So the first thing I'd like to point out is obviously, as you can see, my charts don't have any indicators. It's all down to pure price action, so the chart's nice and clean and easy to read. I think it's important to try and keep the amount of information on the charts to the minimum so we don't get confused and sort of get paralyzed by information overload. So the first thing I do on the daily is I mark my key levels. So I look where price currently is, which is over here, and then I mark a support level, which is a level below price, and a resistance level, which is above price. So I'll mark the support level, just bring it down a bit, which is about there, and the resistance level would be around this level. So we've got the two levels where I'm now looking for price action setups to form. I'm always looking to trade away from the key levels, never trading back into a key level because it reduces the amount of space for a trade to move into. With regards to the price action, I think a lot of traders get confused and over-focus their attentions on the actual price actions, the price action setups. For me, the most important thing we can do is trade from the right levels, and then we're just using the price action setups to get us into the trades. So we need to focus on the levels first and then the price action second. And the advantages to using the daily time frame is obviously there's a lot less noise, so it's a lot easier to mark our levels and to find the right levels to look to trade from. Taking trades off the daily time frame obviously reduces the amount of trades we're going to get per month. So for example, on this chart we might not get a trade for a month or 2 months, but it also means that the amount of time we need to look for trades is reduced. So on average it probably takes me 5 to 10 minutes on the daily close to scan through my pairs. I follow about 28 pairs. It's a pretty quick process just to go through each one to see if there's any setups. With regards to the daily time frame, a lot of traders, especially the newer traders, find the daily time frame quite a frustrating time frame to use because the number of setups is reduced, and I think a lot of traders feel pressured into taking trades and be in the market all the time, which I think is probably one of the newer traders' biggest problems, trying to get into the market too much instead of waiting for the market to come to you. This also will help you learn about discipline and patience, which is such an important area of trading. It's not something that just happens overnight. You've got to really work on your discipline and patience and putting in specific rules to keep you super consistent. So if we look at this chart, I'll just zoom in because I tend to have the chart zoomed in a bit more, because the way I see the market is I'm looking to get in on the current momentum. So say for example on this chart, price has broken through this old resistance acting now as support, so I'll be keen to see a bullish price action setup here. So obviously we're in a good area to look for a price action setup. However, if price managed to break through this support, the next level below that, which I'll quickly mark on the charts, would be in this area. So again you can see all the wicks showing rejection, how prices reverse strongly off this level. So if price did manage to break through this level and push down, I'd be looking for a pullback and a bearish price action setup to trade the market lower. So it's pretty simple stuff. I mean, it's all about basically price moves from level to level. We're looking for a level to break, push on past, pull back, and then a price action setup to trigger us into the trades. It doesn't have to be any more confusing or complicated than that. I think a lot of traders try to overcomplicate it, and they can get all confused and lose their consistency. So I hope this video has maybe got you interested in price action and trying to keep the charts as clean and simple as possible. I've got a website, dontlettheforexdriveyouupthewall.com, which has got tons of articles and information to help you understand how I trade and why it's such a valuable way of trading. So thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this video, you could give me a like or post a comment. I'd really appreciate that. And I hope to see you in the next video.